Hello guys, Damaned here. Sorry I haven't been posting anymore. I've been stopped posting for a while of it. That was me on my exams, and yeah. And today I'm gonna show you how to download ModLoader for 1.5. Cause at the forums I saw their games were crashing. They said so. They said all these crashes reports. So now I know what's the solution to that. First, you gotta go to your computer. Then, no, not your computer. Go to your percent updata percent data percent. Go to your roaming file, .minecraft, bin. If you have any worlds that you want to play on single player, I suggest you copy this. You copy and paste somewhere else. And what you're gonna do here, once you've pasted your worlds on the background there, you're gonna delete your .minecraft. Okay, once you've done that, once you've deleted your .minecraft, you go to your Minecraft. You go click force update. You click force update, then after, yeah, that's gonna happen. Then you know what's gonna happen. Then once that finish, then yeah, you just go to your app data, go to .minecraft, bin, Minecraft, open with WinRAR, then just open this and just drag all the items from the mod loader inside this. So yeah, that's that. Thanks for watching guys. I hope this tutorial helps you, and I'll be posting gameplays if I can, because I'm using Fraps. Right now I'm using Bandicam because Bandicam posts more faster than Fraps, yeah. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. I'll make a showcase of this, and yeah, thanks for watching.